Welcome to next video. Today we are discussing about domain structures. Before going to domain structures, you can see the previous videos, get a better idea about the server basics and more about server configuration. We'll start with domain structures. Domain structures are arrangement of domain system and how computers, devices and other objects are arranged in a domain. There are two types of domain structures: single domain structure and multiple domain structure. A single domain structure is simple as you see in this diagram. Here, the parent domain controller will only connect to host computers and the backup domain controller. It is very easy to maintain and control the domain structures. Single domain structure. When it is multiple domain structure, there are two types: tree structure and forest structure. The tree structure is mainly used by large companies when they have more branches. Here you can see in this diagram, the parent company server is connected to two child domain controllers, that is CDC1 and CDC2. Here, the CDC1 and CDC2 are branches of the parent company, and here all the parent and child domain controllers maintain ADC. ADC is additional domain controller. It is necessary to maintain ADC for backup and immediate use in any emergencies. You can create multiple ADC for one PDC and it will reduce the workload of your server. In case of the PDC failure, it will redirect to ADC. ADC server will up and users can access ADC server, and the same replication will available in ADC also. There are three branches of the same company. In each branches, there are different administrators maintaining their PDC. Parent domain controller can only manage it by admin 1, and the admin 1 can manage both branch 1 and branch 2. Admin 3 doesn't have any privilege to manage PDC. The CDC1 also. When it is coming to forest structure, it's a combination of two or more tree structures. As you can see here, two tree structures are connected. It is creating a forest structure. It is mandatory when you are starting your company. When a new client or a new firm is merging with your company, you need to merge the IT infrastructure. Then you require to merge your server domain controllers. Here, parent domain controller of itengineer.com and xyzsolution.com will be remain different. Both the parent domain controllers are managed by the forest domain controller admin. That's all about the session. If you want to know more about structures or any doubt in this session, you can comment below. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Thank you.